I can't believe they got us to do this.
Well, I was just thinking, a good break from the day, instead of seeing people, talking to
Talking
you,
to
Charlie.
each other and get a chance to talk to you. After 20 years, we don't actually get a chance to talk very much just about things.
I agree. We aim for probably once a week, have a meeting. And how often does that occur?
Well, we still haven't killed each other after 20 years, so maybe that's a good thing. Hi guys, the video people told me we have to put some video on our website, so here we are trying to put video on our website.
And I thought it was a good idea, something to do in a lunch hour, just something different from patients.
It's not quite that easy. I think we need to stick talking about dentistry rather than about videos and websites.
That's something we're both very comfortable with, is dentistry. Perhaps not in front of a camera.
How many courses have we been to over these last 20 years, Jeff? I feel a lot greyer.
You are.
Thanks. We used to be next door. We had a 2-surgery practice.
Which was just a small house that we converted to get going.
I don't know how we worked in there, to be honest, but we did. And with all the support we've had from our patients, the surgery's now grown to 4 surgeries, and we've got therapists and hygienists and lots of staff.
One of the pleasures I find from the practice is that our staff members, they work for a number of years, have children, come back again. It really is like a community here in Lara, which is very nice.
I think some of them have been here from day one.
Well,
that's a nice feeling, actually.
It is.
This morning I had a patient, we did braces on the older son. We finished about a year ago, and now, there's another son and daughter ready to go. And you sort of know about all their happenings, and they come in and you chat to them. So you sort of, this place becomes their life. Particularly when they're going through things like orthodontic treatment. They're here just about every month. It sort of becomes part of their life. And you watch these kids when they're 9, 10, 11, you see them for their first sort of orthodontic checkup. And by the time you finish, they're 16, 17, they're young men and women. It's actually quite remarkable.
It's nice also with the community where we have, like our therapist here goes to the local schools and kinders. And so the kids come here for the dental treatment, but also see the staff out in the community, not just at the supermarket, but also going to where their schools are and talking about things.
Well, they come in and they yell out, Beck, you remember me from the kinder? Like, it's quite a good feeling. Yeah. And Jeff and I will occasionally run some information evenings and try to do things like that. But it's just interesting how dentistry's changed in that regard, And you're asking me before about, about families and that. I think, and I know I'm talking from my own personal experience, and I know Geoffrey's told me the same stories, that when you've got people that come and see you, they move away from Lara or Geelong, and they might move to the other side of the country. We've got a few patients from the other side of the world who still come back and see us for their checkups and their treatment. Because dentistry is such a trust thing, once you've found a doctor you trust and feel comfortable with, once you find a dentist, it's the same thing. And people will travel and go to see the person they can sort of rely on.
The other interesting thing too is when you see them as children, they grow up, they tend to move away when they're younger, but often people come back to have their families where their family grew up. And so then you get to see them when they come back again with their partners and then having families. And that's a very nice long-term consistency of things. It's good.
I guess we didn't traumatise them too much as kids.
So how long are you guys going to stick around here at Lara Dental?
Till we drop.
I'll still be here for a long time.
Yeah.
I enjoy it too much. I don't want to stop working.
Good. Excellent. So the community can rest assured that they'll still have Geoffrey and Charlie here looking
Absolutely.
after them, and the rest of the amazing team that you
Been
have.
about 22, 23 years, and I reckon there's more to come.